In this tutorial, we will be installing PostgreSQL on our Windows machine. To do that, we have come on the website enterprisedb.com. Now here, click on Download option. Based on your required version, you can choose that. But for this tutorial, we will be going with the 15.4 version. After clicking on it, downloading will be started automatically. Once download is finished, we will click on the file. Now installation wizard started. Click on Next. Here you can modify the directory in which your PostgreSQL will be installed, but it is recommended to keep the settings to default. Click on Next. Here it will ask you to select the components. We will go with PostgreSQL Server, pgadmin4 and command line tools. Click on Next. Here you can modify the data directory in which your data will be stored. Click on Next. Now here it will ask you to enter the password for the super user. Now we will enter it. Retype the same password. Click on Next. Here you have to enter the port to listen on the server. By default, PostgreSQL uses 5432 port. So we will keep it as default and click to the Next. Click to the Next. Here it will show us the pre-installation summary. Click on Next. Now our PostgreSQL is ready to install on our computer. Click on Next. Here installation process started. Based on your computer speed, it will take some time to install. As you can see, installation is successfully done. Now click on Finish. Now you are ready to use your PostgreSQL.